Need to find a conversation you archived by mistake? In this guide, I'll show you to find archived messages in Google Messages and restore them to your main inbox in just a few simple steps. Opening the Google Messages app on your Android phone or tablet. Make sure you're using the latest version of the app, as the interface may look slightly different on older versions. Once the app opens, you'll see your main list of conversations. Next, tap your profile picture or initials located in the top right corner of the screen. This opens a menu with several options related to your Google Messages account and settings. From the menu, tap Archived. This section contains all the conversations you've previously archived. Archiving doesn't delete your messages, it simply removes them from your main conversation list to help keep your inbox organized. All messages, photos, and attachments remain safely stored unless you've deleted them. Scroll through the archived folder to find the conversation you're looking for. You can open any archived chat and continue messaging without restoring it if you prefer. If you'd like to move a conversation back to your main inbox, press and hold the conversation until it's selected. You can also tap additional conversations if you want to restore more than one at the same time. Now tap the Unarchive icon at the top right of the screen. It looks like a small box with an upward pointing arrow. The selected conversations will immediately return to your main messages screen, making them easier to access whenever you need them. That's how you can quickly find and restore archived messages in Google Messages. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe for more simple Android tips.